To enable improved screen capture, make sure you have Chrome 88 or Chrome 88 Beta by going to About Chrome OS and checking it right here. I'll leave a link in the description on how to do that. Then go to your browser, Chrome. Then in the URL, type Chrome://flags and search screen capture. Here it is. Change this to enabled. Now we have to restart it. Now that we've restarted, it's enabled. And to activate it, just hit Control Shift and then the screenshot button on your top row keyboard. This is the fourth button here. And when you click that, you get this nice menu. This is for screenshotting. And just click here to just select your area and then capture. Or you can also take a screenshot of the full screen. You can switch here to video and record. I've checked, it works pretty well. You can also access it from this quick settings menu by scrolling to the right and clicking it here. Hope you like it.